Copilot in PowerPoint is actually now pretty good. So I have different mock-up slides, as you can see here, that have my designs. So like different layouts, let's say it like that. And I will just go into Copilot and I will pick the Cloud Opus 4.7 and I will say I have some mock-up layer layout slides from slides 42 to 50. Inspire yourself from my branding and create 3 more layouts that I can use to present slides to my audience. I train Microsoft 365 Copilot to busy professionals. All right. So the edit with Copilot, the new mode, will go on and it will create these slides. I will show you in just a second. All right. We've been filming for 11 minutes, so it just gave me the time to make a French toast. That was really good. So that's the power of agentic AI. So here we are. Look at the results here. So it made 3 layouts. The part that I skipped when I sped up the video is that Copilot asked me some clarifying question. You can see the questions right here. So that's something new that's been added to Copilot, and I think it's great. And look at the results. Look at that, right? So today's roadmap, what we'll cover today. Look at that. 4 modules, 45 minutes. Like, this is so good, right? And before and after. Without Copilot, I have a screenshot placeholder, and then I have 4 habits of great Copilot problems. So I'm going to actually use these layouts. And something else I've been doing is taking a slide. Let's say, I don't know, this slide, by instance, and you will ask Copilot, hey, can you make it fit any of the layout we just built, or can you make it match the design of slides 30 through 32, and it will just do it just like that. So if you've enjoyed the video, please like it so it's shown to more people, and I will catch you in another video.